Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I have breaking news tonight on student visa. It seems like we have another situation like we had in the past from the Tri Valley University. This school in New Jersey and also in Virginia, the University of Northern New Jersey, and also the Virginia, and in Virginia, the ICE today in a sting operation arrested 21 people who were basically giving pay to stay scheme, as they call it. Basically, students, according to them, students were not really attending the classes, and the school was just giving them an ability to stay in the United States on the student visa, and ultimately giving CPT, as you have mentioned before. And also, this is another big news because it seems like they are tracking almost 6,000 people on student visa right now. For so all the students, a few piece of advice. I'm going to go back to an article I wrote 4 years ago to the Tri Valley University. This is what you have to do. First of all, if you are approached by the ICE, Immigration Custom Enforcement, you have a right to request for an attorney because it is fraud. But if you have been defrauded as a victim of those schools, please call an attorney and see if the attorney can help you actually negotiate, because we know in the past how things have worked out. It was really a nightmare when it happened in 2011. So we recommend to make sure that you request for an attorney if it is a criminal charges. If it is an immigration charge, you might you might have to pay for your own attorney. But few options that will be left. Some students will have a right to transfer, so quickly transfer to another visa if you can. Right now, quickly, the one that I comes to mind is B1, B2. But make sure that you were not part of that scheme, because that's going to come back and hurt you. So what I mean, the scheme is basically you were part of those people who were taking money to help other students to get a visa. So you if you are part of that, you will have criminal charges on you. So be ready for that. You need to have a criminal defense attorney. And the other advice I give for those who are going to be placed in removal proceedings, that means deportation, you can take what we call a voluntary departure or fight your case based on other relief. For example, if you have an asylum case, etc., you might want to look into that. And if you want to, if the DHS approaches you, more precisely ICE, which is Immigration Custom Enforcement, you can schedule an appointment to an attorney, and they might interview you, because that's the way it's done usually when you have situations where where a school is under investigation. They need witnesses. So just a note here: sometimes witnesses can benefit from some kind of visas ultimately, and even if they are victims, they might benefit from U visas, for example. So I recommend that you have an attorney by your side who can negotiate for you, and ultimately maybe get you something if you help the authorities. But at this point, silence is a word, and the right to ask for an attorney. Because if you are being held, or if you're taken by immigration custom enforcement, you should not be talking too much, until not talking at all actually. You should request to have an attorney present. If it is an immigration proceedings, there are some pro bono attorneys. If it is a federal case, a crime, you will be, if you cannot afford an attorney will be assigned to you. So at this point, I'm sad to hear what has happened. And of course, this happened in California 4 or 5 years ago, and it has been happening a lot. And it seems it's not stopping, because many people find it an easy way to take advantage of the students. So if you have any questions or you're a victim of that, please give us a call, 510-742-5887. Subscribe to the YouTube channel or check our website. I will post update as we get them. So this is basically an alert from Sharparali of the Sharparali Law Group, talking about what happened today. It seems 21 people were arrested, and more than 1,000 students now are affected by that, a bit like Tri Valley when there were 1,500 students. So be ready for being questioning, so you might want to have an attorney by your side, and we recommend not to answer any questions without having an attorney. And of course, if you want more details, this is just an alert, please give us a call, 510-742-5887. Visit our website, piralilaw.com. I'm going to try my best to post some more tips, but the best advice I can give you at this point is to remain silent and to request for an attorney. And that's the best we can do at this point until we get more information. This just happened, it was breaking news, I got it from ABC. So please don't panic at this point if you're from that university, but you might want to check with an attorney as soon as possible to protect your interests. Thank you. And anything I'm telling you again is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. Thank you.